Hi guys, for today's video, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano mag-install ng door screen. Kagaya nito. Ito yung lumang screen na tinanggal ko dito. And this is the wire. What they call it, wire spline or whatever, or roller spline. Use this one. So yeah, this is 2 meters by 1 meter. So ganito na yan. Tanggalin to dito. Dito. Lapit ka dito. Come here. This one. Peel this off from here. All the way around. And then, until matatanggal ito. Pag matatanggal mo na to, ilalagay mo itong bago. Ito. Yung bagong wire. Tapos, ganito ang gagawin. Kasi since na-start ko na doon sa kabila, always mag-start doon sa harap, sa other side. Tapos work around until you reach to there. So yeah, ganito. Make it sure na tight siya, tight. So ganito. Focus mo ito, ganito. Kasi tight na yan. Pull mo lang to. Push. Roller ka dyan. Push the roller tight. Yeah. See, it's tight. Until so make it sure it's tight na hindi siya loose. Yun. Ganito ang style ko sa pag ulitin ulit and then push. Yeah. Make it sure it's push hard para hindi matanggal. Tapos ganito. Yan. Is it clear?
Mm-hmm.
And then, yeah, pull. Pull with your fingers. Just to be safe na it's tight. And then, push. Push. Push like this. Yeah. One more time. That. And then, pagdating sa corner, kailangan gumamit kayo ng flat screwdriver, ganito, small one. Small flat screwdriver. Kailangan i-push nyo dito hard. Push hard. Hard. Ganyan. Kailangan ipitin ng maigi. Yun. And then, ganito. Run around. Yeah, make it sure it's tight. Yan. See? It's tight and then cut it by the knife. So right here, focus it here. Cut by the knife right there. And then push. Push by the spline right there. Yeah. And then use flat screwdriver to push hard. Yan. See? Easy. Tapos, yan. Pagkatapos nito, go back there. Right here. Pagkatapos nito, use your knife like this. Make sure it's sharp. I'll show you later. Just stay there. Right here. And then, sit down. Here, focus this. Make sure it's sharp. Cut this one. Oh, out. Back a little bit. Here. Yan. So, yeah. Ika-cut ito. Look sa other side. The other side, focus here. Other side there. Watch out your finger. Yan. Focus this. So, be careful. Kung mag-cut ka na, mag-start na mag-cut dito, be careful na hindi yung magkakat ganito, hindi matatamaan yung binilagay natin na bago. Kasi pag masisira to, isang ano lang, replace ka ulit. So ngayon, ito. Cut natin, dahan-dahan. All the way around. Yan. So one more thing. Para safe, kailangan mo ulit. Push ulit. Push ulit para safe na talagang diin talaga yung ano, yung screen sa ilalim. Here. Push again. Push again. Sigurado ka.
Okay, go now.
Yun. Bakit? Keep busy. Bakit?
It hurts. My finger though.
No, make that down.
Okay.
Okay. Cut like this. So making sure the knife talagang sharp siya. Yan. See? Dandahan, mag-ingat. Baka masira to. Yung bagong nilagay natin. Tapos ganito. Yan. All the way around. Yeah, by the way, ito mabibili ito sa mga home hardware. Ito. Focus the video here. Mabibili ito sa home hardware. Kasama na dito. Kasama na tong spline, roller, pati yung rubber. Kasama na to. Including the spline, wire, or what they call this rubber. Ito, for 19 bucks. Ano na to siya? Fiber screen. May aluminum din. Depende sa gusto nyo. Kaya, yun. That's it for today. Hope you learn and do it by yourself next time. Thank you guys for watching. Tapos na. So yan. Tapos ilalagay na natin. Make sure ha. Itong roller. Itong wheels na sa taas. Yan. Ganito. Push na natin dito. Push. Push up. Up. Here. Yan. Yan. Sige, nakapatong na. Yan lang ka-easy.